AI ad creative analytics is the process of using machine learning to tell you exactly which hooks, visuals, and CTAs in your ads are driving results and which are draining your budget. I've been testing this workflow across 3 platforms and it's changed how I think about creative iteration entirely. Here's the problem most media buyers hit. You're running 20 creatives, your dashboard shows which ad is spending, but it does not tell you why it's winning. Is it the hook, the music, the offer? Without that answer, every new creative is still a guess. Step 1. Connect your ad accounts. Every platform I tested, Motion, AdCreative, and Creatify, starts here. You link your Meta Business account, your TikTok Ads Manager, or both. That pulls in impressions, spend, CTR, hook rate, and conversion data at the creative level. Step 2. Let the AI tag your creatives automatically. This is where the real time saving kicks in. Instead of you manually labeling every ad by format, hook type, or visual style, the AI reads the content and applies tags for you. Creatify does this on creatives it generated. Motion does it on anything you import. Step 3. Identify your winning creative patterns. This is the insight layer. The AI cross-references your tags against performance and surfaces what's actually correlated with conversions. Something like problem agitate hooks with lifestyle, B-roll outperform product demo hooks by 30% in your account. That's actionable. Step 4. Brief new creatives from the data. This is where the loop closes. You're not brainstorming from scratch anymore. You're taking the winning pattern and asking the AI to generate 5 variations on it. Creatify lets you do this directly inside the platform. The analytics surface a winner, and you spin up new AI-generated variants from that same creative DNA in one click. Step 5. Retest with AI-generated variants and let the data pick again. The goal is a compounding loop. Each test cycle gives you sharper signal. Each new batch of creatives starts from a higher baseline. In practice, this means you're shipping better ads faster without increasing your creative headcount. Now let me be specific about where Creatify's analytics agent fits in. They claim it connects your live ad performance data to the creative output it generated and then recommends exactly which elements to change: hook, avatar, script length. In my testing, that held up reasonably well on meta-connected campaigns, though the TikTok integration was still a bit rough at the time I looked at it. Here's how the main tools stack up against each other as of 2026. Motion is the strongest pure analytics layer. It handles imports from any creative source and the tagging depth is serious. AdCreative focuses on generating creatives with a built-in performance score, but its actual post-launch analytics are shallow. Creatify sits in the middle. It's most powerful if you're generating your creatives inside it too, because the loop between creation and analysis is tighter. My honest take: if you're already generating your ads with AI and want the analytics baked in, Creatify is the most seamless option because the creation to insight loop is native. If you have a mixed creative operation with videos from real creators, editors, and AI tools, Motion gives you more flexibility as a standalone analytics layer. AdCreative I'd skip purely for analytics. It's more of a generation tool. The bottom line: AI AdCreative analytics is not a nice to have anymore. If you're running paid social at any real volume and still doing creative reviews manually, you're leaving compounding gains on the table. The best place to start is Creatify.ai. They have a free trial and the analytics agent is live. Link is below.